Alright everyone, welcome back, girls and boys. So we're gonna do another unboxing video, and this item is, let's check it out, let's find out. Already gave it away, man. It's a microphone. Yup, I'm gonna do a podcast, and for my voiceover, and for my music. Remember, I'm a modern Renaissance man, the jack of all trades, DIYer, entrepreneur, freedom fighter, system buster. Alright my peeps, so let's check it out. Let's see what's going on, man. Sing you, I'll sing to you, sing you. Alright, check it out, vámonos. Singyou.cn. Fall in love with your voice.
Hey, I love the way you sound.
Yeah, he sounds pretty interesting, right? Well, I don't know what you're talking about, sir. We are Singyou.
Singyou is one of the leaders of professional audio products or music recording.
Singyou offers a variety of condenser microphones for studio, recording, podcast, game, to deliver clear and high quality sound for memorable recordings.
Yeah, alright my baby. I'm just bullshitting right now. Alright, so y'all could read this. Hopefully it's nice and clear. If not, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, alright? Alright, fall in love with your voice. Oh man, user manual condenser microphone. Alright, hopefully I don't regret none of these purchases. Investing and buying these stuff. Alright, item checklist. So that's what's supposed to be inside the box. If not, they ripped me off, man. They did me dirty. Alright, let's see. Oh, let's just open it all up. So set it on your computer. Okay, cool. That's what I want to do. Okay, let's do this one. Wait a minute. Okay, right there. Alright, does it have anything in the back? Oh yeah, using common sense. Something some people don't have. Some people don't have common sense. Alright, so hopefully that does something, my peeps. I can pause it and read it.
Yeah. Fall in love with your voice.
Nah, I can't do that one. Oh man. Alright, I gotta practice. I'm rusty. Alright, so let's just go through it, my peeps. Because I'm already halfway the battery of this one. Ah, great. They open up normal. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Now I can open it. There you go. Cool. Check it out, my peeps. Oi. Alright, cool. Bam. Oh, it's double-sided. Cool. Double-sided match. Oh, this thing warps, bends. You can. Oh, the wind. Oh, this. Alright, there you go. Alright, my peeps. So this thing can bend and warp. Obviously, this is like a clamp on right here. Cool. Alright, let's put this right here. So it comes with the microphone cable, which are traditional. I gotta know the size of this input jack size. I think it's a 1.2 millimeter. I'm guessing 3-prong. I don't know what these are called. I gotta no learn and know my terminology. Hey, but a pretty good thick wire. Yeah, microphone cable. Low noise. I guess no frequency, no static, no distortion. I hate all that. I hate the feedback. I hate the distortion. All that. It's not cool. Holy smokes! Hold on. Wind, nature, please. Okay, so then we have this cable right here. Whatever this is, my peeps, USB. Okay, so this is, okay, I don't know, USB sound card, 5HB2. I don't know, my peeps. We'll see what it is, what it does when we put it together. Okay, nice. Oh, oops, my bad, my peeps. Oops. Okay, cool. Okay. You guys can see it. Alright. We'll figure it out. I have no idea what it is. It seems like it's like to protect or hold the microphone or something. We'll figure it out. And then right here, it's another, like a little vice clamp device. That's why you gotta look at the manual. But right now I'm just guessing, based on my personal experience and knowledge. Okay, so that's pretty much what it has. Okay, I guess this is for right. No, I don't even know where this goes. I have to look at the manual. The manual piece. I don't think it goes here. Maybe? I don't know. My peeps. We'll figure it out, but it has some weight to it. Oh. Alright, so then we put this one back. This little thing, whatever this is, it has a bunch of threads. Okay, and then we have the actual like arm swivel attachment. This is what's gonna make you whoa, what is this? Well, this is making any sense. Yeah, I gotta read the manual. I don't want to touch anything and mess anything up, but I believe this one goes, oh, this is a spare one. You get, right, same design. Okay, we'll figure it out, my piece. When I set it up. Once I set it up, we'll figure it out, and if it works for me, it works for me. If not, then bummer. Bummer. Okay, and then we have the actual cover, the cushion for the microphone. It's all wrinkled and all warped, all deformed looking. And the actual, oh, it's pretty heavy. Oh, nice, it's gold, nice. Oh, okay. So this is the actual microphone, my peeps. Not bad, right? Wait, the tape. There you go. They didn't want to let it go. They didn't want the air to touch it. Ooh, got a golden microphone, my peeps. Look at this beauty. Nice. Hopefully it sounds nice, man. Please, it has some weight into it. So there you go, my peeps. It's my new microphone. Alright, everyone. That's it for this one. Let's wrap it up. Oh, this thing, it likes to stick. It likes to stuck. Alright, let's drop in. Oh, wait. I gotta get okay, my peeps. In you go. Boom. Alright, my peeps. I'm out of here, man. This is the unboxing. Hope you guys like it. It's a little kit. Cool, right? Alright, everyone. smash that like button, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and oh yeah, thank you. Alright everyone, see you to the next unboxing video. Peace.